Hey there, if you are looking to upgrade your air purifier and fan combo, you have probably come across the Dyson TP07 and the TP10. But which one is worth your investment? Let's just break it down and help you make the right choice. So first, let's talk about the design. So both the TP07 and the TP10 share Dyson's iconic bladeless fan design. So they are tall, sleek, and designed to blend seamlessly into any room. But the TP10 offers a slight edge with a extra modern touches in its appearance, giving it a slightly more refined look. While it comes to performance, both purifiers excel at cleaning the air and cooling the room. They use the same HEPA filtration system that is capable of capturing the 99.97% of the allergens and pollutants. However, the TP10 has a slight upgrade in the airflow power, making it more efficient at covering the larger areas, especially when you are cleaning up the fan on the hot days. Now, another key feature is the oscillation. So, the TP10 offers a wider oscillation up to 350 degrees as compared to the TP07's 290 degrees, ensuring better air circulation throughout the room. Both comes with handy remote controls, but the TP10 offers a few extra tweaks in fan settings, giving you a little more control. Now, let's talk about the energy efficiency and the pricing. So both the models are designed to be the energy efficient, but the TP10 packs a bit more power, so it might use slightly more electricity over time. So in terms of the pricing, the TP07 is more affordable, so it could be better option if you are on a tighter budget. So which one should you get? So if you want the more power, better oscillation, and don't mind spending a little extra, the Dyson TP10 is a way to go. But if you are after the solid purifier at a lower price, the TP07 won't disappoint you. You can also check out the Amazon links in the description and pick up the one that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching.